Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful morning. So we arrived at Amalfi, and the night, we finished the night. This is the second morning, and my family went out to give me some surprise. Look at it, and it's so very tempting. So this is from a patisserie that is called savoia. I do not know how to pronounce it in Italian. And so I very carefully opened it up. Yesterday we ate something at Andrea Pensa. I think Andrea Pensa, and I was absolutely surprised. The coffee is coffee con pan, and it's espresso coffee, and they use a bocciatui with cream, and so they used a bocciatui on the very strong espresso on top of it, put some cream, and it is so very good. And yesterday we had lemon delight. I was very impressed by the lemon delight. The good thing about it, this one I am cutting, is the lemon delight. You cut it open, inside is lemon curd, lemon cream. It's kind of a blended cream with lemon flavor, and with a layer of sponge cake. So altogether it's so soft, melt in your mouth, and it's very, very delicious. Oh my goodness, looking at it with the cream, with the sweetness, you can get enough calorie, and you can get more than enough calorie. And the other one is, I think the other one is croissant, and this one I forgot how to say the name. It's kind of a roll, and you cut it open. The roll, the pastry roll, is deep fried, and then inside they put pistachio cream and dipped with some pistachio, and of course it's delicious. It's delicious. The pistachio cream is soft, smooth, and creamy and sweet, and a little bit texture in the pistachio pieces make it interesting. And the other one is croissant, but croissant, they deep fried the croissant, and make it into a hollow tube, and then put in cream inside. This one is not lemon cream, it's sweet cream, and I think a little bit, teeny tiny little bit lemon flavor, just to make it stands out, and make it more pleasant and distinguished. Otherwise it's cream and deep fried croissant tube. Yeah, so this is the morning delight. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.